Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis and Service Channels. At the beginning of 2018, TREB's outlook for the housing market suggested a tale of two halves. The first half of 2018 was expected to be slow in terms of both sales growth and price growth, and it was. However, the expectation was that as potential home buyers came to terms with the effects of the Fair Housing Plan, new OSFI guidelines, and higher borrowing costs, we would see a turnaround in sales and price. In June, we had positive news, and I'm happy to report that this continued in July. The June and July results show that we have certainly experienced an increase in demand for ownership housing so far this summer. It appears that some people who initially moved to the sidelines due to the psychological impact of the Fair Housing Plan and changes to mortgage lending guidelines have re-entered the market. Home buyers in the GTA recognize that ownership housing is a quality, long-term investment. For July in particular, Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported strong growth in the number of home sales and the average selling price for transactions through TREB's MLS system. Residential sales reported through TREB's MLS system for July 2018 amounted to 6,961, up 18.6% compared to July 2017. Over the same period, the average selling price was up by 4.8% to $782,129, including a moderate increase for detached home types. However, on the supply side of the market, new listings in July 2018 were down by 1.8% year over year. The change between June and July was very positive as well. Preliminary seasonal adjustment pointed to strong month-over-month increases of 6.6% and 3.1% respectively for sales and average price. Seasonally adjusted sales were at the highest level for 2018, and seasonally adjusted average price reached the highest level since May 2017. Another measure of price is the MLS Home Price Index Composite Benchmark. For July 2018, the MLS HPI Composite was down slightly compared to July 2017. However, the annual growth rate looks to be trending towards positive territory in the near future. We have seen a lot of volatility in the housing market over the past year, a lot of it based on policy changes from different levels of government. But it's important to remember that home sales result in substantial spin-off benefits to the economy, so positive results over the last 2 months are encouraging in this regard. However, no one will argue that housing supply remains an issue. The new provincial government and candidates for the upcoming municipal elections need to concentrate on policies pointed at enhancing the supply of housing and reducing the upfront tax burden represented by land transfer taxes, province-wide and additionally in the City of Toronto. With this in mind, I look forward to speaking with you again in a month's time. Enjoy the rest of the summer.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.